Understanding seasonal affective disorder. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel. It's free for you and helps support us to make more educational videos about health and well-being. Welcome to our journey through understanding seasonal affective disorder, or SAD. SAD is a type of depression that emerges, particularly during the cooler, darker months. Let's dive deeper into why this happens and how we can combat it. Seasonal affective disorder is caused by vitamin D deficiency. Often dubbed the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is crucial for our mental health and for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. It even helps support a healthy immune system. Our bodies produce vitamin D when sunlight makes direct contact with our skin. During the shorter, darker days of autumn and winter, many of us get less exposure to sunlight, leading to a decrease in vitamin D production. The signs and symptoms of SAD can include feeling persistently low and emotionally fragile. The sufferer may become cynical and frustrated and feel that they are no longer enjoying activities that they would normally enjoy. They may withdraw socially. They may experience fatigue even during extended hours of sleep. Individuals may also experience difficulty concentrating, feelings of despair, guilt, or worthlessness, and even have thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Recognizing these symptoms early on is crucial for effective management and treatment. Consuming foods that contain vitamin D is important. Vitamin D is in oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. It is also in egg yolks, milk, and butter. Nutritional supplements can be beneficial. Vitamin D3 supplements can be very helpful for those living in areas with long winters or where natural sunlight is scarce. Cod liver oil and omega-3 can also be beneficial. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement is always advised. We will leave links in the description to help you to take a look at supplement options. One of the primary methods of treating SAD includes increasing exposure to sunlight. This is where SAD lamps, specially designed to mimic natural sunlight, can be helpful. The light produced by the SAD lamp simulates sunlight. We will leave links in the description to help you to take a look at SAD lamp options. Lifestyle modifications, including exercising regularly and getting away for some winter sun, can be helpful too. Remember, you're not alone and help is available. If you are feeling despair and experiencing suicidal thoughts, then consult your doctor, a counselor, or the Samaritans immediately. We have more educational videos about health and well-being, so make sure you check them out. Stay safe and take care. Thank you for watching. Your health matters.